The world's changing. Automation's growing. Productivity's soaring. Innovation's accelerating. At Honeywell, it's a familiar story. Because we've always adapted to be changing the way the world works. Developing more efficient processes, devices, and systems for vital industries. Today is no different. We're leading the charge as industry undertakes digital transformation. Developing software, services, and the digital solutions that set the pace for an ever-changing world. Now we detect toxic gas by listening for it. Build predictive analytics that maintain jets while they fly. Streamline e-commerce with artificial intelligence. Connect and transform massive buildings with advanced software. Safeguard critical infrastructure with intuitive cybersecurity. And create experts in field repairs through augmented reality. Honeywell continually promotes its culture of creativity, speed, and agility. To be ready for anything. To change everything. To change the way the whole world works.